Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change profile picture on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. On the bottom right, you can see Here's Me, me. Just tap on this and over here you can find your profile. Now to change profile picture, first of all tap on this profile picture over here. And over here, tap on this create new avatar. Just tap on this and just tap on this allow. Now just select the profile picture you wanna set. For now, I'll select this one and over here just tap on this confirm. Now select the portion of picture you want to set as profile picture. And after that, just tap on next. And now just refresh and you can see this is my profile picture which I recently changed. So in this way we can change profile picture on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.